Watch out. Get you some of that, Traxxas fanboys. Woo, baby, hit the trees. Oh, we're in the fence. Holy What's up, y'all? Got the M2c Arma MEGA Kraton 8S on 12S with the Mah HRB 6S body. Yep, that's what I said. The Mah HRB 6S body does fit. You just have to do some minor trimming, but I'll show you at the end of the video and I'll go over the truck and what I did at the end of the run. All right, y'all, just like everybody else says all the time, I got to warm up a little bit before I hit this jump. Yeah. Did not like that, but I got it. One more, y'all.
Oh, ground is big.
I'm gonna do one more and I'll get out of the way, y'all.
It's all good. That's just hilarious. That is just, that thing lands in the whole ground.
Watch out. Watch out. I'm getting out of the way.
That was a good video I got.
I promise I won't hit you guys.
Bro, that landed, it felt
that,
the whole
you
ground.
felt it?
Holy shit. Oh, that was shit. Dude, I was recording that as it was coming at me.
Hell yeah. With hardly any run up, coming through the other way. Whoosa! Love this car, man. Get you some of that, Traxxas fanboys. I just cut my grass, so she's a little squirrely. Ah! Ah! And I just started talking shit too. Oh man. Ah, come on, y'all. Broken arm. Should we fix it and keep running this joker, y'all? Look at this 5mm. Those 5mm CVDs. It's getting hot. All right, y'all. Till next time. Like in like 5 minutes. I got my Arma Kraton 8S on 12S. This is the regular sized Kraton. It's got a Max 5 G2 with an 800 kV. And I'm testing out the regular outdrive cups from M2c that they just started making. They were sent to me for free for you guys that bitch that we don't announce that it's free. Let's see what they're all about. The 5mm pins worked real good, and the outdrive cups worked real good, but I did break 2 arms. Woo, baby, hit the trees. Oh, We're in the fence. Stuck in the fence. Roger Dodger. What can I say?
Bro, you need to find more land.
Ah, it's broke, man. Oh, it's not even broke. We're good.
The reason why I'm getting I'm building an 8S is your damn fault.
Coming back through the other way, we got something broke. We got a broke something. Yep. There. Damn! I haven't never done that before. I don't think. I'm leaking all my fluids, y'all. I broke an M2c 7mm shock shaft at the nut where the piston is. I'm just gonna go steal one off the other car and finish this session. It looks like that's all that's broke. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, got that joker fixed. Back at it again. I'll show you at the end of the run what happened exactly. Get some air with this son of a bitch. Oh! Go on now. Thanks, buddy. Be careful out here. There's a lot of people bashing. You can hit this, man, if you hit it on that side. I ain't scared.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Just give me some warning. Say you're coming through or something.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, that was a good one.
That's so ridiculous.
That
man.
was like every bit of 150. Dude, did you see
What
that?
happened? Because I was watching my car. I don't know what happened.
I front flipped it right here, right above my head.
Oh,
Oh, I'm watching you and I just drilled the fence. Holy shit! That is cool. Holy shit! Dude, that was insane, bro.
oh, god damn it. Bro.
When are you gonna have that Mega done, dude?
I do.
You gotta get
You're
done.
making it hard for me to like ignore it. Because that's just crazy right there. Look at you, see all the body going
Flapping. Am I upside down now?
Dude, that is so redonkulous.
That could have been bad. Dude, I'm like mind boggled, man. I'm not even talking about it. That's like probably some of the biggest air I've got right there on height anyway. Oh, I'm broke. Broke. That's These cars are taking a pounding.
This is my favorite because when it hits the ground,
Yep, another situation. I'm done. I'm done for now. Broke a bolt on a tie rod. Good enough for now. I'll do an review up at the house. All right, guys, finally made it up to the house. Didn't know you could see my hand there. Anyway, we had a few damages today with the Mega. That Mojave body looks dope on here, I can tell you that. Max 4 is still working flawlessly. Chassis still working awesome. Motor's still in there, super straight. I did gear up to a 44 on the pinion, so I'm running a 39 spur 44 pinion, and it works awesome. I love the response. Everything about it is awesome. Motor did not get hot. I stole the rear shock off of here for that car. I'll explain in a minute. But what happened on this car, and I'll get down to it, is I broke an arm, and when I went to try to fix the arm, I noticed that this Vidavon link is bent. So I broke two arms actually, so there was no reason for me on going and fixing the arms until I get some more links in. So that was that. The 5mm pins and outdrive cups look to be holding pretty good. As far as I can tell, all looking pretty good. Yeah, chassis still straight, of course. It looks like it's been through hell just because I started fixing it and realized all the other damage. The other Kraton on 12S with the Max 5 G2. Oh, by the way, this is running the Max 4 with the 560 7125 kV. Yeah, I did that all backwards. 7125 560 kV. Yeah, got it right that time. This one's got the Max 5 G2 with, I think this is a 56 125 or 118. I don't even know. 125 maybe? No, I don't even know, y'all. I'm also confused with all these damn numbers on these things. 118, 56 118, 800 kV. I am running it censored. I think I'm running 39 35 or 36 on 12S. And what happened with this guy was I broke one rear shock. I'll show you in a second. And I broke the nut or the bolt that holds this toe link to the bell crank. Stand by to stand by. And I broke the 7mm shock shaft right at the threads for the piston. Never done that before. So that's why I stole the shock off the Mega for this truck. But other than that, this truck did good. I was testing the M2c cups, the regular cups, and they're all holding good. No problems with this truck. It's hard to tell because they're in this truck, but they all look good. Yep. So anyway, that's it. I got a lot of work to do before next weekend. A lot of these guys are going to try to come out again next weekend, so it'll be pretty awesome. Get a group of guys together I can bash with every weekend. Got my Arma Kraton EXB RTR 6S out here for a rip, testing out those plus 1mm CVDs from M2c along with their new bash bar. Yes, these were sent to me for free to test out for you guys. I was told that by law I have to tell you that. There's some Yahoo floating around Facebook giving everybody shit because we just don't expect you guys to believe that we got it for free. But either way, that's enough of that shit. That dude stressed me out the other day, so I'm just gonna let it be and get to bashing. Got a few boys out here with me. It's a little bit different, so it's gonna be fun. Let's see what's up.
Good job. Oh. Tell me with your other camera, like maybe to the side or something.
Yeah, you guys are all in bad spots. You need to be on one side or the other. Yeah. Coming through. See what I mean? Good dangerous out here. Hey Edwin, I'm coming at you, man.
That is so ridiculous.
Oh! Nice one. Oh shit, I'll bet you I'm broke on that. Yeah, I can see it already. I got a broke arm.
Oh, dude.
Getting excited. That's what happened to me. Yeah, I think I busted an arm, y'all. That's Edwin's right there. Getting it. Yep, I broke a shock rod end. Hot dog it. Oh, I didn't even do that. Oh yeah, I broke a shock rod end. Everything else still looks good. CVDs look good. Nope, I got a broke cup. That's a stock cup. You can see the indentions in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a stock cup. M2c CVDs are just too strong, y'all. I guess this car's out of commission already. Fuck. It is what it is, man. I'm not gonna fix that cup right now, I don't think. We'll see, you never know. Get over here and watch these guys bash a little bit. I got a broke arm and a broke CVD, or a broke drive cup, but I'm gonna hit this one more time.
Oh.
Coming through. I'm not gonna fix that diff right now, so I might as well tear it up more. You broke? All right, y'all. That's enough of that one.
I broke the bolt that goes to the chassis, the rear chassis, the tower brace.
Gotcha.
Chassis.
All right, y'all. Made it back over to the house in a different location this time. We broke one shock rod end. The shock is still good. Lost the dog bone only because I kept running it like a dumbass. But if you look, the outdrive cup is broke. That is a stock one. So I'll upgrade. Oh, both sides broke. I will upgrade both of those to M2c. But those bad landings, none of my CVDs popped out at all. The plus 1mm CVDs are definitely killing it. Chassis still straight with the new bash bar. Definitely. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this up. All right, y'all. Tear them up, man. You broke?
Shop.
Man, as soon as I turned the camera on.
I brought the Omni Terminator out, but I don't have any batteries for it.
You got the car with you? What is that, Typhon?
No, it's a little Omni Terminator.
Oh, a tank? A Terminator? Oh, the Relarlo?
Yeah.
What kind of batteries does it take?
3 or 4S.
I don't have none of those. I got 6S and 8S.
Or the other way. It's hard. This one in the Typhon does the same thing, man, with the trenchers. It slides around a lot. It's really hard to keep it straight.
You gotta do his mod on the trencher.
Yeah,
Ah, that's why I fired the camera back up right there for them wonderful nose bombs that TC Spark has taken.
I got grass in my ass.
Grass in your ass?
Yep, right here. I'm cutting your lawn for you, man.
Got a Notorious coming through. Right on. TC Spark coming back through. Come on, Edwin. All right, another noser. Oh, look at that. We're doing tricks and we broke it that time.
I keep doing that, dude.
Ain't it broke?
Oh, yeah. That time it did. Just broken arm. Oh.
All right, I guess we gotta go do some.
Broken arm and a shock rod.
What'd you break?
Break arm and shock rod. Oh yeah, that's a
Damn
good one.
TC. Damn Team Corelli, get your arms better.
Yeah, baby.
Got the double notorious going on out here. All right. Hell yeah. Now is that an M2c chassis on there?
No, it's ADU.
Oh, that's an ADU chassis?
Yeah. The whole car is ADU except for the
Oh, is that the car that you tell me about?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not good at controlling it.
Those cars just like to flip over. Definitely tough trucks, man.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, we got it. We got lots of nuts. Got lots of nuts.
Oh man, those are nice nuts too.
Oh, man.
Is that red one?
Yeah. Where'd you land at?